Welcome, in front of me I have REALME GT3 and today I'm gonna show you display tricks that you should try on this device. So at first let me get into the settings, then scroll down and move to the display and brightness tab. Here you can see all of the available settings that you can use to set up a display on this smartphone. Let me get started with the most important thing here, and it's a screen refresh rate. On the preview here you can see a difference between high and standard. It's very clearly visible on the left that animation is much better, it's smoother. It's just a huge difference between standard and high, so it is very important to use a high screen refresh rate. This device allows you to choose between three options: the auto select, the standard and high. This device has a very good amount for smartphones these days because it's up to 144 Hz. It's above the standard 120 Hz refresh rate, so it is very important to use auto select or high. I prefer to use a high option here because I like to always have a better animation. Of course, you should remember that this feature increase the battery usage, so or may cause the device to heat up. Then you should be aware of that. After this option we can move to the another, and it's above the screen refresh rate, the screen resolution. You can choose the standard and high. Of course, it's the same question like in previous option. If you want to use a high screen resolution, then of course the usage, the battery life will be increased, so remember that. Also you can see on the preview the difference is clearly visible. On the right it just looks better, it's sharper, and the colors and of course details, it's just beautiful. Then make sure that you have these both options set as high. After that you can get into the first part of these settings here, the light mode and dark mode. You can switch between these modes manually, or you can get into the schedule option here below that images and turn on the scheduled. You can use the sunset to sunrise or a custom option here. The sunset to sunrise, it automatically switch to dark mode at sunset, and of course switch to light mode at sunrise. You can use always the custom and choose exact time that light mode will be turned on or dark mode will be turned on. And that was it. Oh, sorry, I'm not gonna use it. I like to switch between these two things manually. After that you can enable the auto brightness or disable it. I prefer to disable the auto brightness and manually change it, but of course it's only my opinion. You can switch to auto brightness, it will automatically change the brightness of display, and it's about the light that is around you. Your device will detect if you are in a dark or light or very light place. So if you're using your device in I don't know, you're sleeping and you wake up during the night, your screen will be turned on to the dark mode, and if you are outside while the day is shiny, Then of course you will set up the brightness to the maximum to see anything on your screen. After that you can of course use a image sharpener. You can enhance the clarity of low quality images and videos. Of course, same thing as with a screen refresh rate, the battery usage will be increased. You can switch it on, it's a very good option. And for the last thing here, you can choose a size of a display between large, standard and small. I like to use a standard, but you can do whatever you want, and of course you can change also the font size and weight, or you can use adaptive. It all depends of your preferences. So yeah, that should be all for this video. I hope you like it. Leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye, see you again.